Whether you're downsizing, preparing for a move, or simply tackling the clutter that has accumulated over the years, a major cleanout can feel like an overwhelming task. For Austin homeowners, the process of sorting through belongings, organizing, and disposing of unwanted items can seem daunting, but with proper preparation, it can be a manageable and even rewarding experience. A major cleanout is a great way to reclaim space, reduce stress, and refresh your home. If you're about to take on this big project, follow these helpful tips to ensure it goes smoothly and efficiently. Set clear goals for your cleanout. Before you dive into the cleanout process, take a moment to define your goals. Ask yourself questions like, why am I doing this cleanout? What do I hope to achieve? Are there specific areas of the house that need the most attention, such as the attic, basement, or garage? Knowing your goals will help you stay motivated and give you a sense of direction throughout the process. Whether you're cleaning out clutter to prepare for a move, making space for a new family member, or simply refreshing your home's appearance, having clear goals will help you stay focused. Create a plan and timeline. A major cleanout is no small task, so having a plan is essential. Austin homeowners often have busy schedules, so it's important to create a realistic timeline that works for you. Break down the cleanout into manageable tasks to prevent feeling overwhelmed. For example, tackle one room or area at a time. This could mean sorting through the kitchen, closet, or storage areas in separate sessions. Set specific dates or time blocks for each task and be sure to factor in breaks. A cleanout can be physically and mentally exhausting, so pacing yourself is important. By the end of each day or week, you'll feel accomplished and have a tangible sense of progress. Sort items into categories. One of the most efficient ways to tackle a cleanout is by sorting your items into 4 categories. Keep. Items that are still useful or meaningful and should remain in your home. Donate. Items that are in good condition but no longer needed, which can be donated to local charities. Sell. Items that could be valuable to someone else and are worth selling through a garage sale or online marketplace. Dispose. Items that are broken, expired, or no longer usable and should be thrown away. Taking the time to carefully sort your items ensures that nothing is overlooked and helps you decide what should stay and what should go. Additionally, it will make the organizing and decluttering process much easier. Start with the easiest areas. For many homeowners, the thought of sorting through sentimental items like old photographs or heirlooms can be emotional. If this is the case for you, it's best to begin with the easier areas of your home, such as storage spaces, garages, or closets, where the process may feel less overwhelming. As you move through these spaces and begin to see the positive results of your work, you'll build momentum and confidence to tackle more challenging areas later. It's important to gradually work your way toward more difficult decisions, which will make the overall cleanout less emotionally draining. Use the right equipment and supplies. The cleanout often requires storage bins, garbage bags, and boxes to help organize and discard items. Having the right supplies on hand is key to making the process smoother. Consider investing in durable, stackable bins for items that you plan to keep, as well as extra large trash bags for items that need to be disposed of. For items that you plan to donate or sell, you'll want to have clear boxes or bags for easy transport. If you're planning a garage sale or online sale, create a separate space in your home for these items to keep them organized. Enlist help when needed. A major cleanout can be physically demanding, so don't hesitate to enlist help from family members, friends, or even a professional cleaning service in Austin. Having extra hands to help sort and organize can make the job faster and more enjoyable. Austin Cleanout Services can be a great option if you have large items or need assistance with junk removal. They can take care of the heavy lifting, leaving you to focus on sorting and organizing. If you're cleaning out a large area, like a garage or attic, hiring professionals who can assist with the hauling and disposal can be incredibly beneficial. This is especially helpful if you have bulky furniture, old appliances, or large amounts of debris to remove. Stay motivated and celebrate small wins. A cleanout can take time, but it's important to stay motivated throughout the process. Celebrate small milestones, such as clearing out a room or successfully donating a large batch of items. These small victories will help you stay on track and remind you of the progress you've made. If you need extra motivation, consider rewarding yourself after completing a section of the cleanout, like enjoying a favorite treat or taking a break to relax. The more you celebrate, the more driven you'll feel to keep going. Dispose of items responsibly. When it comes time to dispose of items, be mindful of how you handle trash, recycling, and donations. In Austin, there are numerous recycling centers and donation options available. Many cleanout services in Austin can assist with eco-friendly disposal by recycling items whenever possible, or they may offer assistance with donating gently used goods to local charities. By disposing of items responsibly, you can feel good about reducing waste and contributing to your community. Conclusion: take control of your space. Preparing for a major cleanout in Austin may seem overwhelming at first, but with the right planning and strategy, you can make the process manageable and even enjoyable. By setting clear goals, organizing items efficiently, and enlisting help when necessary, you can transform your home into a cleaner, more organized space. Whether you're preparing to sell, move, or simply reclaim space in your home, a cleanout is a great opportunity to start fresh and enjoy a more functional living environment. Take it one step at a time, and soon your home will feel lighter, cleaner, and more comfortable.